Hello, my lovelies. I am here, and you know what time it is. They're hungry, so it's time to make some dinner. Today I'm going to be making some meatloaf. Um, I have about 3 pounds of ground beef here. Um, I already went ahead and I had to stop myself because I was cooking so fast. So I already put in 5 tablespoons of sofrito in here. I'm going to add a little garlic, a packet of sazon, and some adobo. I'm going to put in just a bit of breadcrumbs, just a bit. I'm going to add 1 egg to this. Remember, this is 3 pounds of beef. So I had to stop myself because I had started cooking and realized that I didn't have a taping for meatloaf. And I know my kids and my nieces and nephews have eaten my meatloaf and they have to have this taping. So I put the egg in there. I already cut up some half an onion, thinly diced. And some red peppers and green peppers. So we're going to put all that in. And we're going to mix it all together. Almost like kneading, because you want all those flavors to go in. You want to make sure you get in between the ground beef so all the flavors can combine, and the egg and the breadcrumbs, so that everything will taste very good. Now, I'm going to make 2 loaves, meatloaves out of this. And make sure that it's well incorporated, all the seasonings and the breadcrumbs. And we're just going to form it. You know what? I think I'm just going to make one. No, I'm going to make 2. I'm just going to separate it in half like that. And form it into what will look like 2 loaves. I'm going to and when forming this, I like to make a little like indent in between the meat, because I'm going to add a mixture of ketchup and Italian dressing in the mixture. So that's nicely done. Let me wash my hands here. I don't want my hands. Along with this meatloaf dinner, I'm going to be making some macaroni and cheese and some mashed potatoes with gravy. But today I'm just going to be making a taping for the meatloaf. So I'm going to make the, where's my little bowl? Here's my little bowl. I'm going to show you. Hold on. Now I'm going to combine ketchup here, a good amount, several squeezes. Now here's my meatloaf, and you see how I formed two small loaves and I put a little nice like indent in between the meat? Well, I'm going to make my mixture. You can use any dressing. I like to use just a bit of Italian dressing. 2 dashes is fine. Some people like to just do a regular ketchup mix. I need more ketchup here. And just mix this up. And that's all I'm doing. So it's not so sweet. You just want to add a little flavor to the ketchup and pour it right here in the middle. And drizzle it all around. And you're going to add just a little bit of water to this pan. When I say a little, this is all the water, maybe 1/4 of a cup of water. And you're going to add this all around the pan so your meatloaf doesn't stick. And that's all there is to it. And you're going to stick that in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. And we'll be back to plate it up. I'm going to cut some potatoes, put it in my boiling water to make mash. And I'm going to put in my boiling hot water for my noodles to make mac and cheese. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, a wonderful day. I certainly had a wonderful day today. I spoke to my beautiful niece. I always talk to all of them. I spoke to my daughter, and my children will be coming home soon from school. So it is wonderful, wonderful. It's nice out. It's a bit cool, not that warm yet, but I was able to wear something very springy. So continue to have a blessed day. It's early afternoon, and we'll be back with more steps. So keep enjoying your day and be blessed and joyful. Come back.